students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So let's see the next question. There are 20 terms in arithmetic progression. The sum of the first term and the sixth term of the progression is 0. So there is an arithmetic progression with 20 terms. So n is equals to 20. N is equals to 20 number of terms. Next, the sum of the first term and the sixth term is 0, means a1 plus a6 is given as 0. Next, the fourth term and the fifth term of the progression is 2 and 6 respectively. That is, a4 is given as 2 and a6 is given as a5 is given as 6. Correct? Find the arithmetic progression and also find which term of the progression is 62. So from here we have, from this to relation we have a plus 3d is equals to 2 and a plus 4d is equals to 6. So subtracting this equation from this equation, what we will get? D is equals to 4. Subtracting these two equation, we will get d is equals to 4, and we will put d in any of these two equation, we will find a. So a will be equals to, if we will put d is equals to 4 here, 4 3s are 12, a is equals to 2 minus 12, a is equals to 2 minus 12, a is equals to minus 10. Correct? So our arithmetic progression will start from minus 10. Next term will be 4 plus, that is minus 6, then minus 2, then 2, then 6, then 10, then 14, and so on. It will go to the last term. Last term will be 20th term, and this will be our progression basically. Now we are supposed to find which term of the progression will be 62. So an is equals to 62, and an formula we know is a plus n minus 1 times d, which is equals to 62. Correct? So a is given as minus 10. A we found it as minus 10 plus n minus 1 times d, which we found as 4, is equals to 62. So 4n minus 4 and 10 will go on the other side, it will become 72. So 4n is equals to 72 plus 4, that is 76, and n will be equals to 76 by 4, which will be equals to 19. So 62 is our last second term, and last term will be 62 plus 4, which will be 66. So this AP will go and it will end to 66. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.